Dynamic zoom. Switch to dynamic zoom. Select the video type, such as move out, to gradually move away from the subject. Drag a box around the subject. When the green frame appears, press the shutter button. Facing the subject, move backwards steadily. When 3 times zoom or more is reached, press the shutter button again to stop recording. The DJI Mimo app will then automatically generate the dynamic zoom video for you. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.